I hope this year is going to be the best year for you. So guys, welcome back to my another video. My name is Reno and today is 1st of January 2026. From today onwards, I am going to upload some blog videos which can be helpful for you and similarly can be entertaining for you so that you can get something. And if you like my blog, please let me know in the comment section because I'm kind of curious, to make vlogs nowadays and I really want to do it. So please let me know in the comment section and stay with me. I'm gonna tell you more things. I'm gonna show you so many things. Now let's get into it. So I have just had this chakatak because I was feeling a little hungry to have it, and yeah, I'm quite lazy to cook, so that's the thing. Only I just went to the shop and purchased this. Okay, now this is around 4:30 in the evening because from the morning I've been doing so many things. Okay, I'm not that lazy as I'm telling you, and honestly I should not tell you, but I've been scrolling for 2 hours randomly, and then I realized, oh shit, I wasted my time. So that's how I started the video and I'm shooting the vlog right now. Okay, I will show you my terrace. So let's go. So these are my plants. I take care of them. I'm also a plant lover, and yeah, I have just 1, 2, 4, 5 plants, and this one is created by me, new one. I was just making my hair and planning to go the terrace to show you how it looks like, and then I heard a cute girl voice. Labu! Labu! Happy New Year! So she is my neighbor's kid, a cute one. After that I decided to give them something, and I had some peanuts, so I decided to give peanuts because Lavu likes peanuts a lot. So I gave to her and she was trying to eat. She was trying to remove the shell of the peanut, but she couldn't, and then I removed it and I gave to her, and then she ate it. She is so cute, isn't it? She was so excited because peanuts are so much favorite. After eating the peanuts, she decided to go to her home. Bye. Bye. Kids are so cute, right? I love kids. I'm going upstairs, but you know what? I don't know why there is a lot of noise. Okay, I got it, because there is construction work going on. So this is my terrace, lol. Don't laugh, okay? I mean, I understand that everywhere is just clothes and clothes, so that is construction work going on there. I came here just to see some flowers. Okay, let me show you this is Tulsi Mata's plant, the Tulsi plant, and there is one my neighbor, she always prays here. Look at the flower. Isn't it pretty? Okay, let me show you some more flowers. She is the only one who takes care of these all plants, my neighbor. So now I'm on my terrace, and I haven't combed my hair. I think that's perfectly fine. And this is the outer area. Well, I just want to show you a little my daily life, and I want to tell you one thing, that yes, I'm gonna post a video every day, and if you like to watch, you please continue watching, and please share with me if you like my videos, and anything that you can suggest me, you're allowed to share with me in the comments. Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you have a good day and a good year.